Hi and welcome to today's presentation under occupational health and safety. So in today's discussion, we're going to discuss electrical safety. So here are our objectives for today's discussion. So objective number one, we have define electrical safety. Objective number two, we're going to discuss the tips of electrical safety. Then objective number three, the rules of electrical safety. Then we're also going to conclude by discussing the importance of electrical safety. So let's begin by defining what electrical safety is. So in definition, electrical safety is a system of organizational measures and technical means to prevent harmful and dangerous effects on workers and members of the general public from electrical current. Then now going to discuss the tips of electrical safety. So tip number one, replace or repair damaged power cords. Tip number two, do not overload the current outlet. Tip number three, avoid illegal electricity connections. Then tip number four, keep electrical equipment away from water. Tip number five, protect small children from electricity. Tip number six, put on protective equipment when working on electricity. Tip number seven, switch off the current when working on the electricity. Then we're now going to look at the rules of electrical safety. So basically the rules are as follows. Do not plug a bunch of stuff into one outlet or extension cord. Then rule number two, always ask people who are much older than you to plug in electrical appliances. So this is mainly in a case where you have children around. Then rule number three, do not unplug cords from the wall with force. Rule number four, make sure sockets are tucked in neatly and tidy. Then rule number five, always switch on current before an attempt to repair. Then we have the importance of electrical safety. So almost everything in the workplace setting today operates on electricity. So careless handling of electrical current can cause great pain, burns, even death. It is very much important to observe electrical safety in all setups. So this basically marks the end of our discussion. If you have any question, any addition, feel free to interact. Then also remember to share this information with your fellow students as well. You might not know Owafuishanganan. Remember to share useful information amongst your friends, amongst anybody who is under the same program or maybe who's doing the same occupational health and safety. So from me, it's done and dusted. Wishing you the very best as you prepare for the exams. Thank you for taking your time in tuning in. See you next time in our next presentation.